got the juice. Look, wait a minute. Tell them I got the juice. Look, by the way.
Starting us off a little early, not too early. Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Juice back again with another fabulous vlog. Just pulled up to my homie house. About to get ready, shake off, drive another, I think it's like another hour and a half-ish or something like that. We gotta drive to get down to the other field. Well, to get down to Fort 13. But not Fort 13. Check out the little Milsom ride, man. Shit clean. Nice little Hummer. Sure enough, man. 413 grand opening down here in Georgia. Yo, it's nice. Let's go ahead and check it out. We got nice everything. You already know. Come on. I can't do no vlog without showing everything. Oh yeah, man, 413 is looking like a nice, fun place to be. I cannot wait for everybody to get here, see how the turnout's gonna be, see how everything's gonna go, man. This is about to be really extremely dope, man. They got a huge, respawn area. One of the biggest areas that I've ever came across a field. They got crazy tables, crazy setup space for everybody. Got plenty of space so you can bring your own tables and everything. I'm not sure if that's gonna get filled in later, so don't quote me on bringing your own table. Oh yeah, running a nice little high kappa setup. You got the Airsoft Masterpiece upper, regular 5.1 lower, tap drum. Yeah man, the field is dope. I like how they got the lights on. Yeet! The lights on and off. Yeah, so we playing pitch dark sometimes? Oh shit. So wait, what are we running? Just this building to that building? Full field. Oh, there's another part back here? Oh shit. This is a tire yard. Nice. Building back here. So we respawn back here at this board. We need 5 people back here at this board in order for us to respawn. We cannot respawn unless we have 5 people. Nice turnout. It's a lot of people. Fort 13 is definitely the place to be, man. Move it up on you, Pink. In the building, left side. Left side in the building. He's down. Watch the dude with the hammer. He was in the building last time I checked. Run.
Well, which way did it go, George? Which way did it go?
What'd you lose him?
He's a freak. He's the fastest kid alive.
Coming in on you.
I'm running around. Yeah.
Coming in on you.
Go.
Watch the dude with the hammer, yo. He's in the front.
Where?
In the front.
Alright, wait, hold on.
In the eyes.
Enemy sticking there! Enemy sticking there!
Shit! Oh! Oh! Yo, watch that gap right here.
Copy, watch left side.
Yeah. Be straight back behind the plastic bin. Straight back. Hell yeah. Got one. Homie, he's right in front of us on his right side, bro. Oh, good hit, good hit. A lot of people, dude. A lot of people, man. It is filled.
That's legit.
Yeah, yeah, it was, man. Good deal, homie. He's right between the doors. He's straight ahead. I got your eyes if you poke up straight ahead on me. Good hit, homie. Up here, 413, ran into homie from Battle Cat.
What's up, man?
Yo, big shout out to JR and the whole family down there at Battle Cat, man. Shout out to everybody else. This area right here is probably one of the biggest areas, if not the best area that I've ever seen in any type of field, man. Just the fact that they got the indoor, is anybody in this? There's nobody in here. Okay, speaking. Just the fact that they got an indoor shooting range, and the guy said that they're gonna have retractable targets right here that you see hanging up. 1, 2, 3, 4. All those are going to retract and come back and forth to you. So that is dope. I have yet to see any field with anything like that. Any field with a shooting area other than like a real still indoor shooting range that's got a setup like this. But Airsoft, that is extremely dope to have that in the field. A huge nice field. And I think they're going to have like a speed QB setup because they got like another field over there. They got a lot of setups over there, man. It is really dope. I can't wait to see this field up and running its full potential. Damn, bro. I like that slide. This shit's dope. The fluted barrel style play. He fancy. Oh, he real fancy.
Oh, you got one of these.
Oh, that's nasty.
We back! I done found me another camera. I think, is it recorded? Is it recorded?
Yeah, it's recorded.
Oh, it's recording. All right, bet. Yo, I found me another camera. You know what I'm saying? It's your guy.
Come back.
Camera take over.
Follow me at Side Cheeks.
You know what I'm saying? My guy Side Tugs. You know what I'm saying? Follow your boy at Side Ghost.
Right here.
You know what I'm saying? Side Turtle. Fresh on the squad. You know this guy, Side Cable Customs. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we back with my guy Juice. Juice in the back. You know what I'm saying? Hey, this is my vlog. I done took over 2 vlogs in 1 year. You know what I'm saying? Shout out BCL. You know what I'm saying? My guys out here. You know what I mean? Hey, I took over 2 vlogs in 1 year, dog. This ain't even my vlog. Exactly. You know what I mean? Battle City. You know what I'm saying? Hey, shout out Battle City, man. Saying he's politicking with this guy. You know what I'm saying? Follow my guy. He just got vlogs.
Buddy.
You know what I'm saying? This is my new vlog.
Vlogs in there.
This is my new vlog.
He ain't ready for that life yet. He ain't ready for that life yet.
I'm the new Juice. You know what I'm saying?
Raindrop, truck top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. You fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the park pot.